So friends, today I will show you all that how to install Kali NetHunter in any Android device. So before this, you need to root your Android device. If you don't know that how to root your Android device, you can get the video in the description, and you need to install the BusyBox. If you don't know that how, then you can get in the description. So friends, let's start. First, open any browser. You can use any browser, as I am using Chrome. Then we have to search Kali NetHunter. Yes. Now see the first one, Kali Linux NetHunter. That one, kali.org. Click that. Now see, these are the devices which are supported: Nexus 5, Nexus 6, 7, 9, 10 and 1+1 phones, which are CM12. So only these phones are supported, but we can try to install it in any Android device. Now here click download Kali NetHunter. Sorry. Now see, here tap down, slide down, then now see here the images. So make it desktop site. Now see, you can see all the files to download. So we have to download the 1+1 CM12 files, and we have to download the zip file, not torrent. So from here, tap on that. See the first one, 1+1 CM12.1 zip. Tap on zip. This. As I have downloaded it before only, so see, let's went to ES File Explorer. I will recommend you to use this Explorer. See, NetHunter 1+zip. Now went to Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Sorry. Now type here zarchiver. zarchiver. Now as I have installed it before only, so just install it and open it. Now went to SD card. There we have kept it. Now extract it here. Let's wait till it gets extracted. Zip gets extracted. 85%, 89%, still only 3%. And it's done. So let's went to our ES File Explorer. So see, here are the files folders inside the zip. You can see all the files. It's a flashable zip, that's why here are many files. It will install Super SU automatically also to get it updated, and any kernels and all. So we don't need all that. We just went to data, then app, then see, from here we have to install 3 applications: NetHunter.apk, vnc.apk, and terminal, the NetHunter terminal, term.nh.apk. So we have to install these 3 applications. The other applications we can get in the Play Store also, and we don't require all that. We just need these 3 applications. So let's install it. As I have installed the NetHunter.apk and terminal before only, so I just have to install this Android VNC. So it's done. Now let's go to NetHunter.apk. See, NetHunter APK. Now see, in the left upper side there's a 3 lines menu. Tap on there. Now see, here is Kali chroot manager. Now here in my device the root is installed. Chroot is installed, so you have to install it and you have to download it. Then it will automatically install it and keep it in the file where it is needed. So you can see the application. See, there are all the. Then after installing this chroot manager, the services will be started. See, the Kali services, which one you want you can start. Metasploit, Apache, anything you want you can start. Some custom commands are there. Launch Wi-Fi for hacking any Wi-Fi, but you need a Wi-Fi adapter for this, and your phone should be supported. Should be OTG supported. And see, many more things are there: Nmap scan, Metasploit, payload generator, and then many things are there. The map changer. Friends, it's like a full Linux in Android. So friends, if you like my video, then please like, subscribe and share my videos. And if you have any problem, then please comment. I will try to solve it.